Alright, picture this. You're staring at an unexpected bill, your paycheck is days away, and you need a little financial breathing room. You've heard about apps like Beforepay, but a nagging question lingers: will my credit score hold me back? Does that sound familiar? We've all been there, right? That moment of financial uncertainty when a small boost could make a world of difference. Today, we're diving deep into the often murky waters of credit scores and how they relate to accessing Beforepay. Because let's face it, understanding the eligibility requirements for these types of services can be a bit of a puzzle. We're going to demystify it for you. So, you want to know the magic number, the specific credit score that unlocks Beforepay's services. Well, here's the thing: Beforepay doesn't actually rely on traditional credit scores in the way a bank would for a loan. They focus more on your current income and spending habits. Think of it less like a rigid credit check and more like a snapshot of your financial health in real time. Instead of pulling a detailed credit report, Beforepay uses bank account transaction data to assess your eligibility. They're looking at things like your regular income, how consistently you receive it, and your spending patterns. Do you have a stable job? Are your deposits regular? Do your expenses align with your income? These are the questions their algorithm is essentially asking. Why this approach? Well, it's about providing access to those who might not have a stellar credit history, but still demonstrate responsible financial behavior. Traditional credit scores can be a lagging indicator, sometimes reflecting past mistakes that don't necessarily represent your current situation. Beforepay aims to be more inclusive. Now, that doesn't mean your credit history is completely irrelevant. While they don't use a strict credit score cutoff, significant red flags in your banking data, like frequent overdrafts or bounced payments, could impact your eligibility. Essentially, they need to see evidence of your ability to repay the advance you're requesting. Think of it like this: Beforepay is more interested in your present financial reality than your past. They want to see that you're currently managing your money responsibly. They're looking for stability and consistency, not necessarily a perfect credit score. So, instead of fixating on a specific number, focus on maintaining healthy banking habits. Ensure your income is deposited regularly, keep your expenses within your means, and avoid frequent overdrafts. These are the factors that will ultimately determine your eligibility for Beforepay. Ultimately, the best way to know for sure is to simply apply. The application process is designed to give you a quick and accurate assessment based on your individual circumstances. You'll know in a few minutes if you qualify. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.